BMW introduced their new M340i sedan in the Indian market on the 10th of March 2021. The new BMW M340i is now the range-topping variant in the brand's 3 Series lineup and is offered with a price tag starting at Rs 62.90 lakh ex-showroom pan-India. Now, just days after its launch, BMW has announced that the M340i has been sold out. The German car maker has confirmed that the new M340i model has been sold out in India in a single day. Customers are now being added to a waiting list with more details of the bookings and deliveries yet to be announced. The new BMW M340i xDrive is the brand's first locally assembled M car. The M340i also claims to be the quickest car to be locally assembled in India. The new BMW M340i is positioned between the standard 3 Series range on offer and full-blown M3 model yet to make it to Indian shores. Having said that, the range-topping sporty sedan is offered with an M-specific chassis tuning and an M Sport rear differential. The M340i also comes with the brand's all-wheel drive xDrive system as standard. Powering the new sedan is a powerful 3-litre inline 6-cylinder twin-turbo petrol engine. It produces 387 brake horsepower at 5,800 rpm and 500 Nm of peak torque between 1,800 to 5,000 rpm and is paired with a standard 8-speed Steptronic transmission unit. BMW claims that the M340i can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.4 seconds while reaching an electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour. Apart from the performance aspects, the BMW M340i model also comes packed with a host of features and equipment. This includes BMW LED laser lights as standard, 3D LED tail lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, M rear spoiler and more. The features continue on the inside as well, with the M340i cabin offering a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a heads-up display and many more. The BMW M340i, the brand's first locally assembled M car, seems to have received an overwhelming response in the Indian market. The first locally assembled M car from BMW goes up against the likes of the Mercedes-AMG C43 and the upcoming Audi S5 Sportback. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.